Listen to the questions. Choose one answer that fits you. Always, sometimes, or never. Are you ready? How often do you eat pizza? How often do you watch TV? How often do you read a book? How often do you drink tea? How often do you listen to music? How often do you clean your room? How often do you go shopping? How often do you watch videos on YouTube? How often do you shop online? How often do you check your social media? How often do you check your bank account? How often do you exercise? How often do you eat vegetables? How often do you eat out at restaurants? How often do you meet your friends? How often do you use public transport? How often do you hear car horns in your area? How often do you get stuck in traffic? How often do you visit museums or galleries? How often do you have dinner with your family? How often do you send messages to your friend? How often do you charge your phone? How often do you check the weather app? How often do you scroll through your phone before bed? How often do you take extra free samples at a store?